We're back. So we're at the All Seasons in South Yarmouth, Massachusetts. So we're here at our room, and this one's got a sink and a refrigerator and a hairdryer and some cups and a coffee maker. And right over here, this is the bathroom, which is the toilet and the shower. So this one used to be a Clarion Hotel, which is Choice Hotels. And they changed it to the All Seasons, which is Wyndham. And over here, they do have a closet, which they do have the linens in it. And checking right over here, those are the beds. There are 2 queen beds. And also you got a TV. I can't turn it on. And we got drawers on that. And also you got a desk and a drawer on that one. And also we got in this Home Depot bag, got SpongeBob and JoJo. And over here, that's an air conditioner. You can see Goliath and Peaches on it. And also you've got a phone and an ice bucket. Taking it over here, that's the balcony, and that's the outdoor pool, which I will go in later. And over here, that's a drawer next to the beds. And there's my HP laptop right over here. And then you take a look over here. You've got the evacuation plan, and we do have the rules and regulations for the Massachusetts hotel elimination. And also we've got do not disturb with a lock and a deadbolt. And we're gonna go walk out, make this left turn to go downstairs to the car. We'll take this deadbolt right over here, and there it is, room 242. And you can do this thing on that one. So if you want to subscribe this channel, just stay with us, and you will let me know about this thing on that one. So we will close that up, and so see you all tomorrow at Wicked Waves for a nicest lunch here, and do the water slides, eat lazy river, and the water pool, and the arcade. Also we get McDonald's for dinner tomorrow after the Wicked Waves, and tomorrow for breakfast, which is the Pancake Man. So that'll be all for the day, and I will see you again soon. Bye.